Jerry O'Connell has been a super fan of Big Brother for years. He's watched every episode, hosted an eviction night when Julie Chen Moonves was sick, and now he's finally in the chair he was born to occupy. Alongside champions Taylor Hale and Derrick Levasseur, he's breaking down the time trip season with insider expertise that only true fans could provide. But this isn't just a recap show, it's a game changer. With a new interactive fan vote that will have a major impact on the game, this episode proves that the viewers might be the most powerful players of all. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're breaking down Big Brother, Unlocked Season 28, Episode 2, the companion series that's giving fans unprecedented access to the time trip season. The 28th season of Big Brother premiered on July 9 with a 90-minute episode on CBS and Paramount Plus Premium. And now, just one day later, the companion series is back with a new panel, a live studio audience, and a game-changing fan vote that could reshape the entire summer. Let's break it all down. For those who might be new to the companion series, Big Brother. Unlocked is the ultimate behind-the-scenes look at the game. It first debuted during season 27, serving as the show's first ever broadcast companion show. The series breaks down gameplay, evaluates the competition, shares exclusive insider perspectives. It features never-before-seen broadcast footage from the main show, exclusive interviews with the house guests, and surprise appearances from past fan favorites. In short, it's everything you love about Big Brother, but with the added layer of expert analysis from people who have actually played the game. This season's panel is stacked with Big Brother royalty. Returning from last season are Taylor Hale and Derrick Levasseur, two of the most respected winners in the show's history. Hale made franchise history in season 24 as the first house guest ever to take home both the grand prize and the title of America's favorite house guest. Levasseur, a former undercover detective, famously dominated season 16, cementing his status as one of the show's greatest tacticians by navigating the entire game without facing eviction until the final three. But the big news this season is the addition of Jerry O'Connell, a celebrity panelist who's been a super fan of the franchise for years. O'Connell is no stranger to the Big Brother universe. In September 2024, he stepped in as the show's first ever substitute host when Julie Chen Moonves came down with COVID-19. He's also made guest appearances on Unlocked in its debut season. Now, he's joining the panel on a permanent basis. In a statement released by CBS, O'Connell said, "Big Brother is my summer and rolls into my fall too. I'm already watching on Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. So the fact that CBS is now paying me to do it is kind of amazing. It's an absolute honor to sit next to Derrick, Champ, as I call him, and Taylor, who is my all-time favorite Big Brother winner. This is what we call in showbiz a dream gig." The chemistry between these three is going to be electric. You have two champions who've actually won the game and a superfan who knows the show inside and out. They're the perfect panel to break down the chaos of the time trip season. One of the biggest announcements for season 28 is the introduction of a new interactive fan vote that will have a major impact on the game. This is huge. For the first time ever, viewers of Big Brother, Unlocked will have the power to influence what happens inside the house. The premiere episode launches this vote, and it's expected to continue throughout the summer. What exactly will the fan vote do? CBS hasn't released all the details yet, but the potential is enormous. Will fans get to vote on a power that gets introduced into the game? Will they get to choose which house guest receives a special advantage? Will they get to impact nominations or evictions? Whatever it is, this twist ensures that fans have a stake in the game like never before. And it's going to force players to consider not just their fellow house guests, but the millions of viewers watching from home. Another new addition to Unlocked this season is a live studio audience. Fans will now be able to attend tapings and watch the host break down the show in real time. This adds a whole new energy to the companion series. The host will be feeding off the crowd's reactions, and the audience will get to be part of the conversation. According to CBS, the live studio audience format is a new addition that will continue throughout the summer. It's a way to bring fans closer to the action and create a more interactive viewing experience. Season 28 of Big Brother is officially underway, and the theme is Time Trip. Inspired by decades like the 80s and 90s and cultural touchstones like Y2K, the house guests have entered a world where rooms, relics, and challenges transport them across moments in time, past, present,
and future.
New powers and challenges inspired by these eras will disrupt strategy and alliances from the very start. The premiere introduced 14 new house guests, with additional surprise house guests still to be revealed. The cast includes an MMA fighter, a rocket scientist, a game show host, and even a current RuPaul's Drag Race All-Star. There are also rumors of returning players, including season 26 fan favorite Angela Murray. The time trip theme is already shaking things up. The house guests are navigating rooms decorated like different decades, and the competitions are testing their knowledge of pop culture history. It's a fresh twist on the classic formula, and it's keeping everyone on their toes. Now, with Unlocked breaking down every move, fans are getting the inside scoop like never before. Episode 2 of Big Brother. Unlocked will be the first full episode with the new panel and the new format viewers can expect. Never before seen footage from the premiere that didn't make the main broadcast exclusive interviews with the newly introduced house guests, including their initial reactions to the time trip twist breakdowns of initial strategies, with Taylor, Derrick, and Jerry analyzing who's playing well and who's already making mistakes. Surprise guest appearances from past fan favorites, which Unlocked is known for. The launch of the new interactive fan vote, which could change the course of the season. The hosts will also be evaluating the competitive field, assessing the early alliances, and offering their predictions for who might go far. Season 28 is a milestone year for Big Brother. The show is set to make television history as the first primetime series ever to reach 1,000 original episodes. This season features more programming hours than any season in the franchise's history, with new episodes airing on Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays, plus the weekly Unlocked companion show on Fridays. Fans have more Big Brother content than ever before. It's a celebration of the show's legacy and a reminder of why we keep coming back. Big Brother. Unlocked Episode 2 is the perfect companion to the time trip season, with Jerry O'Connell joining Taylor Hale and Derrick Levasseur. Fans are getting the ultimate breakdown of the game. The new interactive fan vote gives viewers a say in the outcome, and the live studio audience adds a new energy to the show. The game is no longer just in the house. It's in your hands. What do you think will happen next? What will the fan vote actually do? And which house guest is already making the biggest mistake? Let us know in the comments below if you enjoyed this breakdown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates.